And we are live. Hi, Greg.
Hi, Human. How you doing?
I'm good. This is the day. This is the winners announcement stream. So everybody, welcome. And we are here with Greg, the founder of Agent Arcade. I'm Human from Toolhouse. Today we're gonna cover the winners stream of this mini fun hackathon we did during the weekend. We got interesting engagement with our platform with Agent Arcade. We're super excited today to cover it and see what do you like first and winners who won the $50, who won the $25, and just see what happens. So I'm gonna leave the floor to you, Greg. Let's start with the winners, I guess.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, everyone, for participating. It was exciting. I think we learned quite a bit about the platform. We got a lot of people who are interested in it. There were several folks who were working on things, didn't quite get them over the finish line by the close of the event. But I wanted to let those folks know when you do finish it up, we'll still get you the 20 credits on the platform. So, and I'm around the rest of the week to help you push that over the finish line. So thanks for participating. If you didn't finish it up, that's fine. But we've got some really cool solutions that were completed that we're really excited to show today.
Awesome. I see a lot of people not joining us right now. So whenever you see this video, you're gonna be happy if you're one of the winners. So you want to start with the screen share, see the submissions you like, or should we wait for the folks to show up?
Let's go ahead and do it. Folks can hop in later or comment on the video. We'll also catch you on the Toolhouse Discord channel. Give us your feedback on the hackathon channel on there. So I'll go ahead and present and show a few of the things that were built out that I'm excited to show.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Great. Yeah, so the first one we'll highlight is Urban Reborn AI. So this was a really neat solution built on Toolhouse to highlight different areas where in your city or in your town where there's areas that are maybe not developed or underutilized and propose ways that they could be utilized. So I actually use this for here in San Diego, and I thought it was really interesting. I'll show you the chat I had with it here. It's really great. You can just pop in your location. So I did San Diego here, and it gave me this great feedback. Actually, the top item it returned here was a place near my house that I walk probably once a week. I walk by that.
That's interesting.
Yeah, and I am excited about what they're planning to do to redevelop that. They're turning it into a wetland print pretty soon. So along with some community space there. So it's really cool. This agent was really cool in highlighting that. I thought it was really interesting. So
I tested out myself too. It works in Europe well. It knows Italy, so that's a good proof to the agent. So I tested out for Padova and Venice. It got me good responses. Those places look like they need they were abandoned. So I really like this idea. What I like more about this idea is that you can change it with just minimum effort to cover these tours you see in Europe. I see most of the time, I see folks just following some tourist guide and seeing landscapes. Just this tool can be tweaked and just be used in that way too. You see a structure or just a landscape, gives you out infos, gives you pictures, gives you more stuff to do with it. So I really like the base idea and this idea about abandoned structures. So I think it was really cool submission too.
Yep. Yeah, I thought it was amazing. So congratulations. That submission got second place, and you'll be getting $25 and 20 credits on Agent Arcade. So thanks so much for that submission. And let's go and look at the winner.
we got the we got him on the comment section too.
Oh, great. So the winner was the Experiment Startup Navigator. This is a really innovative solution, also built on Toolhouse and provided here on Agent Arcade. And it's super useful in analyzing your startup ideas and gives you a lot of great information. Like it covers, what your space is in the market, who your competitors are. It provided this really powerful information. So I'll show you an example of a conversation we had with that.
This is very cool because basically this event showed me like you can build something on Toolhouse, get a chat ID, something like that. Agent Arcade supports the protocol. You just put it there, and all of a sudden, your LLM and Agent Arcade expert that you can put your own price can do web search, can do like reliable stuff, get the human in the action. So it was really interesting. Like I guess this could be really handy for investors, people who are just like very curious and get the answers really fast. So yeah, let's dive into it.
Yes, yeah, super handy. And one of the features of Agent Arcade we used here was you can invite other people in Agent Arcade into your chat. So if you're collaborating with your co-founders or something like that, you can all work with this tool and have it help you out. So it asks you for a bunch of information, your startup name, description. It gets a bunch of data from you so that it can do a thorough analysis of your startup. And then it gives you this great market analysis. So this is great. It's telling me how large the small, medium business software market is. It's giving me competitors that I might be competing against. It gives me how viable the startup is. So that's really useful. And then it gives me this great detailed metadata that I can use. So that was like super useful. I'm excited for people to try this tool out and see if it provides them value and help them build their startups. So this was Experiment Startup Navigator, and it is our first place winner. So that'll be $50 prize and 20 credits for publishing this on the marketplace and building such a cool tool on our hackathon.
It's great, and he's just dropping the like he didn't know he's gonna win. So and yeah, congratulations. It was like a best use case that you could get from our MCP servers. Current time, web search, probably perplexity search to make it even more interesting. But yeah, it's been pretty cool. And we got him on the comment. He's saying that he wants to expand it with visuals. So I guess that's a good news for Toolhouse and Agent Arcade.
Yes, that would be really cool. I love that that you're interested in like making it even better, because it's really powerful now, and just building on top of that and making it really cool. So that's awesome.
Great stuff, and well done on the project.
Yep.
And what do you want to cover, Greg, for this mini hackathon and wrapping it up sort of way?
Yeah, I want to thank everyone who participated. There were a lot of folks working on a lot of really interesting things. Like I said, there were several folks who are building things out. Didn't quite get them over the finish line, but I wanted to make it clear that you can talk to me over the coming days, and we'll help you get your thing published and get you some credits on Agent Arcade so that you can do great things. I'm excited to see those projects get published, and thanks so much for participating. It's been a really fun weekend.
Yeah, from Toolhouse part, I'm very excited that we saw this engagement. Kind of was my first hackathon here at Toolhouse, so been pretty very cool. Busy kind of weekend. I like it, and I'm so happy that we released our first official GitHub announcement about our GitHub on examples that we have at Toolhouse. So it was an interesting moment for us to release that and see the engagement with the GitHub repository, see the engagement on Agent Arcade and what we can do with our MCP servers, and hope we can do this more often with probably bigger prices, because I see the conversation in our community. So yeah, we're gonna do more this fun stuffs, and probably see you on the next one.
Yeah.
And this is our goodbye, I guess.
Yeah. Thanks so much, everyone. Thanks, Uman.
Bye bye.
We'll see you online.